Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
requesting everyone, please participate and answer me, everyone. Am I audible to you? Arnav, Madhvi, Eva, Reva, are you there?
Yeah, you said.
Okay, give me thumbs up, everybody. So I just recognize that everybody is there. Guys, give me thumbs ups or any emojis. All right. So welcome to all of you in this very special financial program. My name is Dipanshu Sethi and I'm your mentor for this financial program. I'm associated with Swastika Investment Limited, that is a stockbroker providing the facilities in demat and trading facilities along with their currency, FNO, and different kind of investment opportunities. So I'm working as a learning and development manager over the Swastika Investment Limited, and I'm also associated with the UA, so provide the multiple financial programs training. So I request to everyone, please introduce yourself so that I can also recognize your background and your qualification. As per that, your background, we will modify our training program and we will continue at par. So just request to Yuvraj, can you elaborate yourself?
Yuvraj Raghuvanshi. Um uh I'm in 12th grade right now, Delhi Public School, Bhopal, and that's about it. I'm just interested in finance and I trade on a daily basis. That's about it.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Yuvraj. Arnav? Okay, not an issue, Arnav. Madhav? Madhav Gandhi? Great. Eva? Eva Raj?
Yeah, well, I'm currently ninth, and I got interested in this topic because I've delved a bit into the others, and I gave a TED Ed talk recently, and when I was giving, they gave me this suggestion that maybe I should go more into finance management, should learn more about it because it would help me in the future. So that's why.
Definitely. Yes. Thank you, Eva. Next is Reva. Okay. Reva, can you tell me from which city you are belonging? Meanwhile, Vishwajit, I'm so sorry. Vijavat Jain, are you there?
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Kunal.
Okay.
Uh, I'm in grade 8.
Okay. And your city?
I live in Tanuku. It's in Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. But you joined with the name of Vijavat Jain.
My middle
So,
name is Kunal. My middle
Kunal.
name is Kunal.
Kunal. Okay. All right. Great. Yes. So, thank you so much, everyone, to introduce yourself. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Great. So, I'm very happy to heard about your background. Now, without getting delay, we are just moving to our topic, that is a financial literacy. Today's topic gonna be very important for us because this is the foundation of this program. If you want to achieve your financial goal, you want to become a financial freedom in your life, so you should aware about the financial literacy and their benefits. So how the financial literacy can change your life, how you can participate in the financial goal achievement, we will be understand about this program in this session. So I'm just presenting my screen. Please confirm me if you can see my screen. Is it visible to you guys
No, sir,
No,
it's
sir.
not.
right now?
No, sir.
Yes, now it is visible, sir.
Yes,
Great,
sir. It
great.
is.
All right. So our topic is why financial literacy is important. So let's understand what is a financial literacy. So basically, financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. When you are financially literate, you have the foundation of relationship with the money, and it is a lifelong journey of learning. The earlier you start, the better off you will be, because education is the key to success when it comes to money. In simple way, financial literacy is the synonym of financial education. So if you can see yourself around, there are lots of people who are succeed in their life in a financial manner. So directly or indirectly, they are aware about the financial knowledge. Maybe they become a doctor, they are a lawyer, engineer, a successful businessman, or even professional. So everybody needs understand about the financial management and their literacy benefits. For an example, I want to become like a retirement free life. I just want to become free from that retirement. Yes. So that to achievement, I need to make a planning that how much money required so that I can enjoy my retirement. What will be corpus amount? Let's suppose I would require 10 crore rupees so that I can enjoy my retirement. So that how I can achieve 10 crore rupees of financial goal. How much investment should require to invest so that 10 crore rupees will be met in the 50 or 60th age. That is the financial literacy one part. So there are numerous benefits of financial literacy. But let's look at the screen. India's financial literacy worse than Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Pakistan, even BRICS nation. The reason is that we are not focusing on the financial literacy. Most of the schools and colleges just focusing on the academic knowledge. They are not providing the financial knowledge because everybody should aware about the financial knowledge. Despite if you are an engineer or you are MBS or you are a doctor, everybody need it. So what are the benefits if you're getting the financial literacy? Number one, ability to manage personal finance. Yes, through the financial literacy, you can easily manage your personal finances. Just like that, you can manage your EMIs, you can manage your rental incomes or even rental expenses. You can manage your household expenses through the financial literacy. Number second, help to differentiate between assets and liabilities. So that is a very important point to know about that assets and liabilities. I'm giving an example, guys. Let's suppose you have a car. So could you tell me in which category car will be fall? Assets category or liability category? Tell me.
Liability, sir.
Liability. How many people saying that liability? Raise your hand or give me the answer why you are going for the liability. Kunal, what's your opinion?
I think cars shouldn't be in a assets sector because it is not an investment.
Okay, all right. Arnav, your opinion?
I think if we consider it as an asset, it will be a depreciating asset.
Depreciating assets. All right. Okay. And anybody saying that it would be assets? Madhavi, Yuvraj, Eva.
I think,
Yes,
sir, it
Madhav.
would be. It depends on the purpose of the car. If you're using a car for your basic purposes like transport, it could be like someone said, a depreciating asset, because anything that helps you generate money or income could be termed as an asset. So if a car is helping you do transport towards your workspace, it could be counted as an asset.
Yes, exactly, Yuvraj. You're very right. So the thing is, it depends on your uses. If you use your car for the personal reason, for the personal enjoyment, that will be count as a liabilities because the car value getting depreciate day by day. If car value today is 10 lakh rupees, definitely after 5 years the car would be around 5 lakh rupees or 4 lakh rupees only. But if you're putting your car for the income business reason, just like that, you are putting your car for the rental income, you are putting your car for the travel business, that would be assets because the car is generating money for you. So in short, if any commodity or any product bringing money in your pocket, known as assets, or any commodity or product, bring out the money from your pocket, count as a liability. So I'm giving another example. If you have an iPhone, in which category iPhone will fall? Assets or liability? Tell me.
Liability, as it's a short-term investment.
Short-term investment. Okay. Any other opinion?
It would be termed as an liability because there could because it's a type of a phone. You could even get a cheaper phone. You could get a cheaper replacement
Exactly.
for the iPhone. If you wanted for an asset purpose, you could have you could have gotten a cheaper version. So I think it would be a liability.
Yes, exactly. So Yuvraj and Madhav, you are right. It depends on the use. Is if you are using your iPhone for the just for show off reason, just for the status and just making a video only, or just for taking a pictures, it could be counted as a liability. But if you're using your iPhone for the income generation purpose, let's like you're making Instagram reels, you are making a Facebook, YouTube reels, you are making a podcast, so that you are getting a followers and you are making a money, that is uh, assets. So every product who make money for you count as assets, or every product who withdraw money from your pocket without any reason count as a liability. So I hope you are getting the point between assets and liabilities. Now the third point is less vulnerable to financial fraud. If you are a financial literate person, so definitely you will be prevent for the financial scams or frauds. There are many scams running in the market: UPI scams, credit card scams, stock market scams. So if you are financial literate, so definitely you can alert and you would be like prevent from that financial scams. You might be receive lots of scams call that we are put you just get a lottery of 10,000 rupees, just give me your mobile number and UPI pin, we are just sending the money to your UPI account. So that is a fraud. So if you are a financial literate, you will be alert about it, which scheme is real or which scheme is Ponzi. You must have seen the movie of Hera Fairy. Have you seen it? Hera Fairy movie, the first part.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So there is a person, Akshay Kumar, Bipasha Basu and राजपाल यादव. So मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूंगा कि राजपाल यादव पैसा देता अक्षय कुमार को, अक्षय कुमार पैसा देता बासु को, जो कि एक पोंजी स्कीम चला रही होती है, और 21 दिन में पैसा डबल की बात होती है। फिर बाद में होता है कि 21 दिन में पैसा डबल नहीं होता है, और बिपाशा बासु वो पैसा लेके भाग जाती है, और अल्टीमेटली राजपाल यादव का पैसा डूब जाता है, और फिर अल्टीमेटली वो अक्षय कुमार के पीछे पड़ जाता है। यस माधव, लक्ष्मी चीट फंड. So that is known as financial scam or financial fraud. So if you are financially literate, you will be aware about it. The last but not the least, create a budget plan for retirement and manage debt. You can easily make a budget or make a plan for retirement, so that you will be make a good planning about that your future. So these are the benefits of financial literacy. How to determine a financial goal? So let's suppose I want to purchase a car. Is it a financial goal, guys? Could you tell me? I want to purchase a car. Is it a financial goal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I want to purchase a house. Is it a financial goal?
Yes.
I want to go for vacation. Is it a financial goal?
Personal,
Yes.
personal.
Okay. These all are not a financial goal, whether car, house, or foreign trip. Because financial goal always include two things. Number one, time period, and number second, value. In my statement, both are missing. I just said I want to purchase a car. So that is not a financial goal, because I'm not mentioning the time period and the value of the car. I just saying that I want to purchase a car. So maybe I can purchase a 10 year, after 20 year, or maybe after 50 years. So that is not a goal. Goal should be determined. Goal should be fixed. So instead of it, if I'm saying that I want to purchase a car worth of 10 lakh rupees within a 2 year, that is a financial goal. I want to purchase a house worth of 1 crore rupees within a 5 year. That is a financial goal. I want to go for the foreign trip and spending 10 lakh rupees within 5 years. That is a financial goal. So financial goal always include time and value. If the both are missing or one of the one missing, that is not a financial goal. So all these things are related with the finance or depending on the finance to become financial goal. Whether I want to make a children marriage, I want to go for the foreign trip, I want to make a good retirement, I want to purchase an iPhone. That is also financial goal because for the purchasing of iPhone, I need money. So how can I arrange money? How can I make money? That is a topic including financial goal. Are you getting my point, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody should focus on the financial goal. Maybe your financial goal is become a successful investor, become want to become a successful trader. That is a financial goal. Due to the reason you require the money. Without the money, you cannot become an investor or trader. Required investment money. So that is also known as a financial goal. So these are the principle of financial literacy. The 5 things include financial literacy. Number 1, how to earn, how to spend. Second, third, how to save. Fourth, how to borrow. And fifth, how to protect. If you know about these 5 things, you already literate about this financial. How to earn, पैसा कैसे कमाएं. How to spend, कैसे खर्च करें. How to save, कैसे बचाएं. How to borrow, कैसे उधार लें. And how to protect, कैसे अपने पैसे को मैं प्रोटेक्ट करूं स्कैम से, फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड से. These are the 5 principles of financial literacy. Budgeting. Budgeting is a fantastic tool to make a financial goal or become a financial freedom. Through the budgeting, you can make your financial statement. In which month Union Ministry present a budget every year? Can you tell me?
First of
In
April.
which month? 1st of April. Are you sure or no? March. Not the April, not the March. Any other month? In the February month. February month is a fix for the union budget. Every year, finance ministry launch a budget in the month of February. Okay. So government also need to make a budget. Your family also need to make a budget. Your parents also make process on the monthly basis that how much money we are generating from through the business or job and how much money are spending or household expenses, rental, rents or EMI. If you made it, so you will be clear about your current financial status. So without financial status, without knowing the financial status, you will be not achieving your financial goal. So budgeting is a fantastic or effective tool. So how can you make a budget? Just simple thing, set a plan of action, identify your income, identify your expenses, prioritize the urgency, and execute the plan. This is the simple process of budget making. What is saving and what is investment? So basically, whatever left in your pocket after the expenses known as a saving. But if you put your money on some kind of risk to generate a return on that money known as an investment. So I have again a question. If you deposit your money in the saving bank account, it would be a saving or investment. क्या होगा वो? अगर आप अपना
Saving.
पैसा सेविंग अकाउंट के अंदर रखते हैं तो वो सेविंग अकाउंट तो वो सेविंग कहलाएगा या इन्वेस्टमेंट कहलाएगा?
Saving.
Saving. Okay. If you putting your money in the fixed deposit, तब क्या होगा? इन्वेस्टमेंट और सेविंग?
Saving.
Saving. Okay. That would be investment, not a saving, because saving required a liquidity. If you deposit your money in the fixed deposit, so it will be locked for the 5 year or 10 year, depend on your requirement. Before that, you cannot withdraw that money. If you withdraw that money, so you need to make a penalty. So that is not a saving, because FD required a risk. If the bank will shut down, your money will be left out, and you are getting some kind of return on your money. That is known as investment. But if you're putting your money in saving account, so that whenever you require, whenever any emergency occur, whenever any financial crisis occur, you can just withdraw to the ATM, to the banks, to the check, without any condition. That is a saving, because saving required liquidity. Investment depend on liquidity or illiquidity. So investment and saving both are different. I'm investing money in the stock market. Is it a saving or investment? मैंने रिलायंस कंपनी का शेयर परचेस किया है, वो सेविंग कहलाएगा या इन्वेस्टमेंट कहलाएगा?
Investment.
Investment, because in this condition I am on risk. मैंने रिलायंस कंपनी का शेयर बाई किया है, हो सकता है मेरा पैसा डूब जाए, और मैं रिटर्न एक्सपेक्टेशंस के लिए रिलायंस का मैंने शेयर बाई किया था. That is called investment. So whenever the risk factor involved in your money, known as investment, and the risk sector is not involving in the money, known as a saving. So there is a very good terminology. The name is diversification. So diversification is very necessary to your investment. So what is the meaning of diversification? Can anybody tell me? Anybody have a knowledge about the diversification? Eva, Pujita, Arnav, Yuvraj, Madhav, Kunal. Am I audible to you? Splitting in different sector. Okay. Yes, Eva. You were trying something. Okay. So the simple thing, diversification means you are minimizing your risk. You are just distributing your investment in the different areas, so that if equity market is not going well, so you can make a profit from the real estate. If the real estate market is not well, you can make a profit from the commodity like gold, silver, copper, crude. These are the commodity. So do not invest your all money in one sector. Invest your money in different sector. Some of the money invest in the commodity, some of the money invest in equity, some of the money invested in the bonds, or some of them in the real estate. That is the reason the biggest investor of this world, Mr. Warren Buffett, said, do not put all your eggs in one basket. अपने अंडे सारे एक घोंसले में ना रखें. अगर हवा चलती है और वह घोंसला गिर जाता है, तो आपके सारे अंडे टूट सकते हैं. तो बेटर यही है कि आप हर एक अंडे को अलग अलग घोंसले में रखें, ताकि रिस्क जो है वो हमेशा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए. दैट इज नॉन अ डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. So diversification is very necessary tool to make a good return from the market. Now we are the middle part of the today's session, that is known as terminologies. So will we understand about the basic terminology of stock market. So number one, financial market. So financial market is a market where you can invest or trade in different kinds of securities through generate some kind of return. Financial market divided into two parts: capital market and money market. So if you want to invest for the long term reason, you don't want to invest in the short term reason, you want to invest for the long term reason, 10 years, 15 years, 12 years, or more than, that is known as a capital market. But if you want to invest less than 1 year, just only for the short term reason, that is count as a money market. So money market is regulated by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, whereas capital market is regulated by the SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. Capital market includes shares, bonds, debentures, mutual funds, ETF. These are the part of capital market. But the money market includes treasury bills, commercial papers, certificate of deposits. These are the types of money market. So money market required short-term investment, and capital market required long-term investment. Any question between the money market and capital market, guys? Kunal, Madhav?
So can you explain capital market once again?
Capital market is a market where you can raise the money from the public for the long-term reason, or you can invest this money also for the long-term reason. Just like investing money in the stock market, raising money from the IPO, investing in the commodities market, currency market, mutual funds. These are the capital market. But if you want to invest only for the 365 days only, you can invest in the money market. Yes, capital market is equal to stock market. Yes, Madhav, you are right. Capital market to stock market. But stock market is only a part of capital market. It is not a synonym of capital market. Stock market is a part of capital market. Your capital market includes securities, bonds, debentures, mutual funds, currency, all the things. A stock market only involves stocks, shares, not only commodity and bonds. Are you getting my point, Madhav? So if you're talking about the capital market, so capital market again divided into two parts, primary market and secondary market. Whenever a company required money, so company can raise money from the public. So whenever the company raise money from the public, known as a primary market. So IPO, FPO, and OFS, these are the process of primary market. Once the shares distributed to the public and fundraise from the public has happened, these shares are listed over the stock exchanges. That is known as a secondary market. So in the secondary market, you can purchase or sell the shares. But in the primary market, you just invest in a company. The price will be not going up, not going down. Just you are issuing the shares to the public. FPO means following public offer. So recently Hyundai IPO has come and it was closed on yesterday. After 5 years or after 6 years, Hyundai thinks that I want to again raise the money from the public. So already IPO is completed. So if company again raise the money from the public, known as the FPO, following public offer. So FPO is the second process of IPO. Once the IPO process completed and company required more money to run the business, they can issue the FPO following public offer. Okay. And OFS, whenever the company wants to sell out their shareholding to the public, that is known as OFR, offer for sale. So these are the types of primary market. Any question between this slide? So we are moving fast. What is stock market? Stock market are a venue where the buyer and seller meet to buy equity shares of public corporation. And what is shares? Share represent a unit of equity ownership in a company. So if I want to purchase a share of Reliance Industry, so I am a shareholder of that company. So I will be owner of that kind of shares. These are the investment assets class where you can invest across the financial market: equities, cash equivalents, mutual funds, real estate, insurance, commodities, and fixed income. So you can invest in this type of investment asset class. Equity, known as a share market. Cash equivalents means bank deposit, fixed deposit. These are the cash equivalents. Mutual funds, where you can invest through the SIP, systematic investment plan. Real estate, where you can invest in house, property, lands, or even factory. Insurance, life insurance or general insurance. Commodities, known as a gold, silver, copper, crude, or soybean, jeera, chana. And fixed income like bonds or debentures. These are the investment assets class. So why we need to invest in the stock market? Number one, you want to maximize your return. You want to beat inflation, reach your financial goal with the right mix of investments, reduce investing risk with a solid assets allocation strategy, or reduce risk with well-planned strategy for buying and selling the stocks. So the very important point is you want to beat the inflation. The stock market is an only market where you can beat the inflation. You can make return above the inflation. In the India, inflation running around 5 to 6%. So if FD giving you 6% return and inflation rate is 6%, it means you are in negative because you need to pay the taxes over your FD return. So if you are investing in fixed deposit and you are hoping that I am getting an interest on my investment, so you will be a wrong person because inflation already cutting your return on the fixed deposit. You need to make a more return above the inflation rate. So stock market is a place where you can make a 12%, 15%, 20%, or even more than 100% return on your investment. That's the reason people want to take a risk over the investment in the stock market. So these are the participant, very important slide of today's session. Trader, investor, which are the person who can invest in this market to gain some return. Exchanges, where the securities or companies getting list just like NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Depositories, whenever you want to invest in the stock market, you need to open a demat account, and demat account is opened by the depositories. In India, two types of depositories are available, NSDL and CDSL. So when you open your demat account, maybe that account open with the CDSL or NSDL. Broker, DP participant, broker is a person who provide the facilities to trade in stock market through the mobile application or the offline trading. Just like Swastika Investment Limited. Swastika is a stockbroker who provide the facilities to invest in currency, commodity, or even the stock market. And there another example is like Zerodha, Angel One, Upstock, Grow. These are the brokers. And the last regulator who control the capital market, the name is SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, who make the regulations, norms, and rules which you need to follow all these participants. Any question through this side? Kunal, Madhav, Yuvraj, Arnav, Reva,
No, sir, all clear.
all clear? All right. So these are the stock exchanges. In equity exchanges, we have two major stock exchanges, NSE and BSE. NSE has more than 1800 plus companies, just like Reliance, HDFC, TCS. Similarly, BSE has more than 5000 plus companies. Nifty 50 is the main index of NSE, which represent the top 50 companies of NSE. If top 50 companies growing, that Nifty 50 price growing up. If top 50 company declining, so the Nifty 50 also reducing. Similarly, Sensex represent the top 30 companies of BSE. Yes. If top 30 companies of BSE going upside, Sensex also go upside. If top 30 company going downside, the Sensex will go downside. Commodity exchange, so NCDX and MCX, these are the two exchanges. NCDX is National Commodity and Derivative Exchange, where you can trade in the agri like soybean, jeera, chana, dhania, etc. And MCX is multi-commodity exchange where you can trade in gold, silver, copper, crude, any metals or any sectors. Similarly, currency exchange where you can trade in currency like dollar, euro, pounds. So MCX, SX and NSE currency, these are the currency exchanges. These are the market timing. If you want to invest or trade in stock market or even any other market, so the equity market starts from 9:15 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. Commodity market for the non-agri like MCX start from 9 a.m. and closes at 11:30 p.m. In the winter season, it will be closed at 11:55 p.m. For the agri market like NCDX, start from 9 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. Currency market timing is also same with the agri market. All these market remains closed on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, all markets has been closed. You can trade only from Monday to Friday. So market is always three types of trends. If you want to invest in the market, so there are always available three types of trend. Bullish, if market going upside, known as the bullish. If market going downside, known as the bearish. If market no going downside, not going upside, that is in a particular range, known as a consolidate or sideways. Can you tell me what is the current status of the market? Is it in bullish or bearish or consolidate? Anyone has an idea? Consolidating, yes. Market not going upside, not going downside. So right now the market is consolidation progress, range bound area. So if you want to make a money through the stock market, so you have a two options. Whether you can make money through the buy long position or you can make the money through the short sell position. If you are a bullish person, you are thinking that market will go upside, so you can make money through the buy long process, where you can purchase the shares on today and sell it on tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and later on if the price get rise. But if you are looking that market will go downside in bearish condition and you want to make a profit from the bearish market, so you will follow short sell position, where you will sell the shares at the current market price and you will buy back the shares at the lower price and you will make a profit from the short sell position. So for the investor, you can make only buy long position, because short sell position is only for the 1 day process. It is called a intraday trade. You cannot hold your short sell position for the next day. You need to book profit or loss on today itself. But for the buy long position, you can make profit or loss on today or later on. So through the investor, you can follow only buy long position, but for the trader category, you can follow short sell or buy long, both of the position. So this is the second last slide of today's session. That is technical analysis. You want to become a researcher. You want to make a research on the stock market. Said when the price will go upside, when the price will go downside, which company is best, which company is not good. So through the technical analysis, you can make a better decision. Basically, technical analysis provide you an idea about the stock price of downside or upside. So you will be making these things on the chart. You will be analysis about the chart. On the chart pattern, you will be analysis that the price will go upside or downside. So technical analysis is only for the trader's mindset person, because it is useful only for short term reason. But if you are an investor, you want to invest for the long term, so you can follow fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps to identify the long term investments, because you will be analysis about the company, industry, economy, currency, inflation, global condition, war, politics, everything will be included in the fundamental analysis. So if you are an investor, you want to invest for the long term, you can follow fundamental analysis. And if you want to invest for the intraday or a short term purpose, you can follow technical analysis. It depends on your mindset, what you want to become, a trader, investor. So this is the all things of today's session. I hope you have enjoyed the today's session, and might be you have a different kind of questions, so you can ask me. Any question throughout this session, or any other questions which you are in your mind and you want to ask me? Kunal, Madhav, Yuvraj, Eva, roadmap, what will happen in these days? Yes. So Madhav, basically there is a 3 days of live session during the 14 days training session. The 2 days is the live session. Now tomorrow, this recorded session will be available at Yuva platform. So you can easily access the recorded session. after that you need to watch the recorded video which I already make on the different topics. We will meet in the next week where we will be discussing about the brokers topic, the how the broker is working, what are the responsibilities and roles of broker, discount broker versus full service broker, Zerodha versus Swastika. This will be understood about in the next live session. Then after you also need to watch the recorded video on the different topic like insurance, mutual funds, any other topics. And the last session would be a live session where we'll be discussing about the pocket money. So these all are the 14-day training session. After that, you need to give assessment, and after the assessment, you will be assigning a task as per the internship. You need to complete in the 1 week. After completion of this task, you will be eligible for the internship program, and you will be get a certificate from Swastika side and Yuva side for the successful completion of internship. These are the roadmap of the financial program session. I hope you are getting my point, Madhav. Great. Yes. Any other questions? Kunal, Yuvraj, Eva, Reva, Annav. You can tell me yes or no. Yuvraj, any question? Since you are already trading in the stock market, so any questions in your mind?
No, sir. No, sir. It's not that.
Okay. Arnav, any questions?
No, sir.
Because see, this is a live session, so you can interact more. In the recorded session, you cannot interact to me. You just need to follow the recorded video, and then after we will meet in the live session, then you can ask me a question. But in the live session, please participate. All right. If you don't have any questions, so not an issue. We will meet in the next live session where we will be discussing about the broker, and also we will be addressing some kind of question which are related to the recorded videos. So thank you so much, guys, to attend this session. We will meet very soon in the next week with the live video. Till the time, you will be watching that recorded video at the UA platform. And if you have any questions और कोई टॉपिक आपको समझ में नहीं आया हो, कोई टॉपिक नेट इंटरनेट की वजह से छूट गया हो, तो ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो आप युवा प्लेटफॉर्म पे देख सकते हैं. So thank you so much, guys, to join this session. We'll meet very soon the next week. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.